Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset a Quest 2. First, understand that a factory reset permanently deletes all data, including games, saved progress, and account information from your device. Before proceeding, ensure you back up any important media, like photos or videos, to another device. Also, confirm your Quest 2 has at least 50% battery life to avoid interruptions. This preparation is crucial for a smooth reset. To reset directly from your headset, first completely power down your Quest 2. Next, simultaneously press and hold both the power button and the volume down button for several seconds. Continue holding until you see the boot screen on your device. Once this menu appears, use the volume buttons to scroll down and highlight the option labeled Factory Reset. Press the power button to confirm your selection, then confirm again to initiate the reset. Another simple method for resetting your device is through the Quest mobile app. Open the app on your smartphone or tablet and ensure your Quest 2 is connected and visible. From the app's main screen, tap on the Devices tab. Select your Quest 2 headset from the list of connected devices. Then, navigate to Headset Settings, find Advanced Settings, and finally tap Factory Reset to begin the process. Confirm your choice when prompted by the app. After the factory reset completes, your Quest 2 will restart and boot up as if it were brand new. You will then proceed through the initial setup process, which includes selecting your language, connecting to a Wi-Fi network, and logging back into your account. Do not worry, all your previously purchased games and applications will still be accessible through your library. Simply re-download them at your convenience to start enjoying your refreshed device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.